Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how I lay my frontal wigs. Yes. So anyway, let's get into this video. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go. Okay you guys, so I have my wig cap on. And first things first, I take my handy dandy Got2b glue spray. You can get this at Kroger or Amazon. And I spray it right on my hairline, basically through the cap. You don't want it to slide forward too much because then that's where your cap is going to stick. And you don't want your cap to be all the way on your forehead near your brows or something. But at this point, I blow dry the cap. So I'm trying to dry all of the Got2b glue-free spray to make the cap stick to my forehead. So you may need more than one layer, which you'll see I'll do later on. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. So I'll check to see if my cap is really still sticky or not. So now I'm gonna actually cut the cap. So it should stick to your forehead and the part you sprayed should not pop up. So if it pops up, then your Got2b glue spray probably wasn't dry all the way. And I know I should probably be using like hair scissors or something, but all I had were these, like, I guess these are cooking shears, but I think anything really works for this step. So you can see little edges of my cap sticking up. So to fix that, I will be using Got2b glue, just the regular gel, and kind of just spraying it onto the cap. And then I will, in those areas where the cap is kind of sticking up, and then I'll blow dry that. So once your cap is dry, you want it to be more close to your skin tone if you're darker or more brown. So I'm taking the Black Radiance the Complexion Contour Kit, and I will be spreading a little bit of the medium color, which is typically used for highlighting, and I'll be just spreading that onto the cap. And this contour palette is in their color medium to dark, and you can get it at Walgreens or CVS, anywhere that sells Black Radiance. So this hair is from Ashimary Hair, AliExpress. I have already customized it, bleached the knots, plucked it, and this is what I got. So I do have a video on how I bleach knots, how I pluck already, that I'll make sure to link somewhere in this video. So you make sure to check that out. So in this step, I'm just lining up the wig with my hairline, or the hairline I created with the wig cap. So here you can see the wig cap still under the wig. So that means I need to cut a little more of the wig cap because it's going too far towards like my brows. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of that up. I kind of had to pry it because it was glued, but now it's better and you can't really see any of the wig cap or a distinction between it too much. So at this point, I'm cutting the lace. I've seen people use a razor for this, like the eyebrow razor from the beauty supply that's usually 99 cents or $1. But I'm just using the same scissors. I think a razor would give you a much less neat line, which is really what you want. You don't want your lace line to be straight across. With scissors, especially scissors this big, you kind of have to make a little swirly motion with the scissors to make sure your lace isn't just straight across. But now you can see the wig coming together a little bit. I was kind of excited at this point. So Sometimes I try not to cut off too much lace because it's better to just not cut off enough lace than to cut off too much in the beginning. But at this point, I'm going to use the prongs, the little clips I showed, and I'm clipping my hair back because we are about to glue this sucker on. So it was kind of pretty stable on my head, I guess, but I felt like the sides were rising up, so I do think this wig should be glued. You could probably get away without gluing it, without it being glued, but I want mine glued. It is very windy here. So here I'm taking Ghostbond glue. So on Amazon now it's only $13.99. It used to be $19.99, so I'm pretty excited. But I was a little heavy-handed with this glue on the first layer, which is the layer you're seeing. And I'm just applying it to the tip of the wig cap and where I want my wig to be. And I kind of messed up right there, but that's life. So I'm spreading it around with a popsicle stick, which the glue came with this popsicle stick, which I thought was really great. It helped me spread the glue on a little bit, but you do not want your glue to be that, you don't want to put that much glue on. Like, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, you guys. But at this point, I'm just blowing and trying to dry the glue some. So you want it to be, when it's basically all clear, that's when you know it's dry. So I'm adding the second layer. I'll be doing 3 layers. I'll be doing the same process 3 times. You want it to be practically dry each time. And that's it. My 3rd layer. So now it's time to pop this sucker on. So you'll see I'm kind of applying it towards the edges more because you really can't go wrong putting it in the middle, but you can put it in the middle first and then your ends will be sticking up. So once you secure the sides, if you secure the sides, I think the wig is secure. If you can get those sides right, you've got it, in my opinion. And I kind of had to hold it on for the sides a little bit because they always want to pop up. Even if your wig is perfect for your head, it pops up. And I'll be using the comb to kind of press the wig into the glue some. So you really don't want to use your fingertips because your fingertips have oil on them. And it'll make the glue white. So here I'm just checking to see if my wig is secure and how it looks when I try to tie it up. So over there on the side, I saw that the side of my hair kind of like rose up a little bit. So I decided to fix that with a little Got2b Glue freeze spray because that's kind of more so on my edges. So I didn't want to use actual lace glue over there. And I feel like the spray is just a little more safe. So there you have it, guys. I am looking good. I done put a little mousse on there and girl. Okay, you guys, I think this is my favorite side. There's always one side I like a little more than the other. This is definitely my favorite side, you guys. But anyway, make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye.